Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're kicking off something new, our very first tutorial on Arguminds. Imagine if two brilliant minds could debate any research paper, highlighting every strength and challenge in real time. Sounds amazing, right?
Yeah, exactly. We came up with Arguminds because, honestly, reading research papers can be pretty overwhelming sometimes, so having two AIs bounce ideas off each other helps bring out different viewpoints and insights you might otherwise miss. What do you think about that?
And honestly, this kind of system could go way beyond just papers, like it could analyze news, reviews, even legal documents. It's pretty flexible if you ask me.
We're going to show you all the code in Colab so you can try it out yourself and maybe even build on it.
So, the first step is installing a few key Python packages. Google Geni connects us to Google's Gemini API. This allows us to interact with a powerful language model and use it like a debate partner. PyPDF2 and PDF Plumber are here for one mission: extract clean, readable text from PDFs. Whether it's research papers or debate briefs, we need high-quality input for our model to chew on. With these installed, we're ready to start building the AI brain for our debate engine, Arguminds. Here we tested it with a well-known research paper, Attention is All You Need. The system begins by reading the research paper using this method. Extract_pay content. Then comes the reader agent, which analyzes the paper content. Reader_agent analyze, it extracts the main idea and summarize key contributions. Now the first AI persona, Ava the supporter, kicks off the conversation. Here's where the fun happens. We have a loop with up to 25 message exchanges. The current agent, critic or supporter, responds based on the last message and recent context. The tone stays friendly but critical. We also update recent messages and maintain context so the LLM can refer back naturally, just like in a real conversation. I'll drop a link to the Colab file in the description. If you want, you can play around with other papers. I bet it'll be fun for you too. This installs the 11 Labs SDK, which we'll later use to convert AI messages into natural-sounding speech. You'll also need your 11 Labs API key to get started. This script takes a debate transcript and turns it into a single, realistic-sounding audio file using AI-generated voices. Next, it defines specific 11 Labs voice IDs for the speakers, like Ava for the supporter and Leo for the critic. For each piece of dialogue, it uses the 11 Labs API to convert the text into speech and stitches them together. This is the audio embedded, as you can see. I'll play a short snippet now. For the full debate audio and more detailed analysis, stay tuned for the next video on this channel.
Okay, so I just went through the Attention is All You Need paper by Vaswani et al. And you know what's actually pretty cool about this research? The idea of completely ditching recurrent networks for translation and just using attention is kind of mind-blowing, right? I mean, RNNs were like the thing for sequence-to-sequence tasks, and they just said, nah, let's try something totally different.
Hold up, though. Saying it's mind-blowing to ditch RNNs is a bit much, don't you think? It's not like RNNs were perfect. They had their own set of problems.
Okay, fair point. But the way they ditched them is what's interesting, right? Like, using attention to let every word directly connect with every other word is a game changer for parallel processing.
Wow, that's great. I'll obviously wait for their fun arguments. Can't wait to see what it will come up with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Catch you in the next one.